we I figured it out. Like I got the mechanism of where it all comes from. So a lot of y'all thinking, well, that is modern day dances now. Well, it might be, and we all do the dances right here in Jersey, New York, everywhere, right? But they originated from what we normally do. Now what we normally do is, we have our cap. This is what the shoot. Y'all call it the shoot. It ain't the shoot. It's really the shut up. But when you say it fast, it sounds like shoot. See? Shut up. Shut up. Shoot up. Shoot up. Shoot. 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 See? Shut up. Shut up. Shoot up. Shoot. 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 That's what it sounds like. So, you take our foot and our cat whacking up. Take that foot in my hand and you chase them and you kick. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Like that. You just gotta chase. Hand up, foot back. Shut up, shut up. Now you like this to keep your balance, but when you really got them, you put your hand down like this. Shut up, shut up. Like that, like you rolling a wheelchair. Shut up, shut up. Like that. When you get them, that's what they are from. Oh, the nay-nay. Now one day I was outside. Went to the schoolyard and I saw my friend Nene. So, a lot of y'all boring. I like to say hi like this. Hey. But we like to bounce and get excited when we say hey. So, I was saying hey to Nene. So I'm like, hey Nene. So then I took it and called it Nene. It's hey Nene. You excited so you bouncing and you hey Nene, give me a hug. But this when you first wake up. But we wake up hype over here because we hear that cock-a-doodle-doo. So we stretch out real hard and we excited. Hey, nay, nay. You know, it's two different nay-nays. It's hey, nay, nay. And then it's hey, nay, nay. There that go. That's how that go. What else was it? Oh, now when you down south, we got them good old overalls and whatnot. So we got them overalls. So sometimes they be coming down. So we go, look, ooh, you know, gotta, ooh, come back up. You know, take it over your shoulder. Ooh, that's where the military came from. Ooh, 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 you good? Cause you see how I gotta rock that. You at a party, you don't want to just stop the dance and to pull your overall up. You gotta do it cool and smooth. Ooh, and that's where that came from. And you add your own little twist to make it seem like that ain't what you're doing, but that is what you're doing. You're pulling up the motor. The whip. This got to be the most darnest craziest one. Now, we be in a car, you know, down south got them deers and stuff. Got them deers running down the road. I'm sure y'all got them there too. So, you ride and you see a deer, you, oh, like that. You swerve, oh, skirt. And that's why the left foot comes down, because you're pressing on the brake, because the brake is on the left. So you, oh, oh. You do your head, because your head going to go that way too, because the impression, what is it called? The compact. The compact. It compacted you to, oh, like that. What's the other one? Oh, this. Y'all are so crazy. Y'all are so crazy. Oh, darn it. All y'all doing is after you eat that good old chitlins, some good old fried chicken, some good old something with the good old Kool-Aid in it, you happy, so you take your stomach, you like, woo, and you take this like, yeah. You ain't saying y'all, like y'all, you saying yeah. But really, y'all, you got an accent, so it go y'all. Like you say, yeah, man, y'all, like, you know, y'all, like that. That's where that comes from. Y'all so funny. Y'all so funny. Y'all so funny. That's where all of it come from. So I hope y'all all have an understanding of where these dances come from and where they originated from in the South. This is not a dancing tutorial, but if you want to take it that way, you sure can. I personally don't think I'm a great dancer, but I do think I'm a great dancer at the same time. So whatever you think is okay. It's like, no, y'all, I'm playing. I just joke. Like, this is all fun and games. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, talk to me, email me, something. Follow me on a gram. It's like, nah, follow me on Instagram. You know, email me, anything, something. Oh, and this music is from this video I got. So don't mute my song, don't delete my video, and don't give me no strike. Just tell me you need to take this down because this is copyright. Something. Okay? Bye! Let's try this again. Pop, 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 pop. Ah, freaking crap! Manel.